So your lawn's starting to look like a jungle, and you know it's time to invest in a proper mower. But with so many options in 2025, from smart battery-powered rides to ultra-simple manual reels, how do you choose? Today, we're breaking down the best lawn mowers of 2025 for every type of yard, budget, and lifestyle. Whether you're mowing acres of turf or a tiny backyard, this list has something for you. RYOBI RY48 ZTR100, affordable electric zero-turn riding mower. Next up, the RYOBI 42-inch zero-turn mower is one of the best entry-level electric riding mowers for medium-sized lawns. It's equipped with a 100 amp-hour lead-acid battery, giving it enough juice to handle up to 2 acres per charge. Its zero-turn steering gives you unmatched control and agility, great for navigating around garden beds, trees, and tight spaces. You also get 12 cutting height options from 1.5 to 4.5 inches, along with cup holders, LED headlights, and USB charging ports. While the battery isn't lithium, the maintenance is minimal, and the performance is solid for the price. If you want an affordable electric ride-on mower without going full commercial, this is a great middle ground. Links in the description, definitely worth considering for medium-sized properties. Ego Power Plus ZT5207L. Best for large lawns and premium performance? If you're managing a large yard and want a top-tier eco-friendly option, the Ego Power Plus ZT5207L is a beast. This is a 52-inch zero-turn riding mower, completely battery-powered, no gas, no emissions, and much quieter than traditional mowers. It comes with 656-volt 12.0 amp-hour batteries, giving you enough power to mow up to 4 acres on a single charge. That's huge. You also get high-end features like LED lights, Bluetooth connectivity, a comfortable high-back seat with armrests, and hydraulic suspension for a smooth ride. What makes this mower a standout is that you're getting commercial-level cutting power in a clean, modern electric format. It's pricey, but if you're mowing serious square footage and want top performance, it's totally worth it. Check the description for full details and pricing. It's a future-ready machine for serious lawn warriors. Works WG 77940 volt cordless mower, best for small yards. If you've got a smaller yard or just don't want to deal with gas, cords, or loud motors, the Works WG 779 cordless mower is a gem. This 14-inch push mower is powered by two 20-volt batteries, giving you a total of 40 volts of power, plenty for compact lawns. It's extremely lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for seniors, first-time homeowners, or anyone who just wants low-effort lawn care. It also features IntelliCut tech, which adjusts torque based on grass thickness, so you're not wasting power. And with 6-position height adjustment, you can easily switch up your cut for seasonal changes. Plus, it's quiet, like early Saturday morning quiet. Check the description to grab this mower. It's one of the best values for small yards, hands down. Great States 204-14 Reel Mower. Eco-friendly and maintenance-free. Prefer to skip the batteries, cords, and engines altogether? The Great States 204-14 is a manual reel mower with a 14-inch cutting width and 4-blade scissor action for clean, even cuts. It's perfect for small, flat lawns where simplicity is key. No charging, no gas, no noise. Just old-school mowing powered by you. The handle is ergonomically cushioned, and the entire unit is lightweight enough to lift with one hand. The cut quality is surprisingly good for a reel mower. Great for fine grass like Bermuda or bluegrass. Plus, it's ultra-low maintenance. Just keep the blades clean and occasionally sharpen them. If you want a quiet, eco-conscious option for light lawn work, you'll find this one linked below. American Lawn Mower 1204-14, lightweight and budget-friendly. Last but not least, the American Lawn Mower Company 1204-14 is another solid manual reel mower, but with a slightly different design. It uses 4 heat-treated alloy steel blades, offering a clean, precise cut for small, urban, or suburban lawns. It's easy to push, weighs under 20 pounds, and takes up barely any storage space. And it comes in at a great price point, typically under $100. This is the ideal mower for anyone who doesn't mind a bit of cardio while getting a crisp, well-groomed yard. Want the most affordable, zero-hassle mowing solution? Check the link for this classic push mower. Links to all of these are in the description. Check them out and choose the one that matches your yard and your lifestyle. Got a favorite or want a side-by-side comparison? Drop your questions in the comments, like the video if it helped, and subscribe for more smart home gear breakdowns.